Assalamualaikum and greetings everyone. My name is Muhammad SYAHRIL. My meeting number is 287538. We are from group 10. So today we will be presenting 1, 2, 3 HEMBUS. This is our group members, which is GIE, KQ, Rubhitra, SYAHRIL, and also AZIIDAH. 1, 2, 3 HEMBUS is a children's storybook written by Mimi Saleh. Therefore, we're doing an animation about the storybook because the children can see a good flow of the story and make it easier for them to understand. Synopsis of this book: the story of Wana, a playful cloud who loves to make different shapes in the sky. One day she encounters a flock of birds who are flying away from a forest fire. They beg Wana to help them extinguish the flames that are threatening their home in the nearby city. Wana is scared and unsure of what to do, but the birds persuade her to try. They ask the wind to blow Wana closer to the fire and tell her to shake her body as hard as she can. Wana does as they say, and soon she feels drops of water falling from her. Wana realizes that she can make rain and pour seed over the fire. The fire is gradually put out and the forest is safe. Wana, the birds, and the wind celebrate their success and become friends. We move to pre-production. So the first step is idea and concept. The idea and concept of 1, 2, 3 HEMBUS is full of 2D colorful animation, inserted elements of graphic and audio. Flow of the story is presented in a fun and happy way, and duration of animation around 5 minutes. Now we move to storyboard. We use Canva, a powerful and user-friendly online design tool, to create our storyboard for our project. A storyboard is a visual representation of the main scene and action of our story, which help us to plan and organize our narrative. With Canva, we can easily customize our storyboard with different layouts, colors, fonts, image, icons, and stickers. We can also collaborate with our team members and share feedback in real time. As you can see in the images, there are frames and descriptions. Canva helps us to create a professional and engaging storyboard that captures our vision and communicates our message effectively. Now the designing, which is the characters are the bird, the wind, the leaf, the cloud, and all three. And for the props, which is tent and the building.
First step in production, we employ a combination of animation technique. We create the character and background for this animation using Blender. The character with 2D animation and 3D animation for background. By choosing 2D animation for our character, we aim to infuse our animation with handcraft and expressive quality. On the other hand, for our background, we venture into a realm of 3D animation. 2D character. This classic technique allows us to carefully craft each character's movements and appearance, bringing them to live in a way that resonates deeply with our audience. 3D background. This choice provided us with remarkable opportunity to create immersive and visually captivating environment for our characters to inhabit. For our animation process, we have 3 steps. For step 1, we're using both the storyboard and the voiceover as point of our reference. Step 2, we're doing frame by frame animation. For 2D, we manually sketching frame with specific software, which is Blender. And for our 3D background, we're doing it frame by frame. The last step is doing animation. It is the process of generating image that go between keyframe and also create smooth transition between keyframe. This is frame by frame animation for our project.
Hi, my name is Rubhitra Gunalan. My metric number is 281022. I'll be explaining about the post-production phase. During the sound editing phase of our animation project, we relied on the Audacity software to handle all our audio-related tasks. One of the primary functions of Audacity was recording our voiceover, ensuring that the narration is perfectly matched the visuals and convey the intended emotions message effectively. To ensure a good quality, Audacity allows us to refine the recorded sound and eliminate any unwanted background noise. By using advanced noise reduction technique, we achieve crystal clear audio, making sure that every word spoken and sound effect used was clear and distinct, and free from any distraction elements. The next part in post-production is video editing. We begin by exporting our animation project as a high-quality MP4 file with Adobe Media Encoder. Adobe Media Encoder is a powerful software that allows you to encode, transcode, and compress video and audio files for various formats and platforms. This was really helpful for us in converting our animation as a high-quality MP4 file. Once we successfully export our animation project into high-quality MP4 file, then seamlessly imported it into CapCut software to begin the creative process. With CapCut, we effortlessly added various elements essential to our animation, such as captivating sound effects and a professional voiceover. Moreover, CapCut allowed us to fine-tune the duration of the video, enabling us to extend curtain scenes for a more impactful and engaging viewing experience. Overall, CapCut played a crucial role in elevating the quality of our video during the post-production phase. That's all from us. Thank you.